Hi there! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can verify MEXC account. So the first thing that you will have to do once you're here is you will log into your account, of course, and once you've logged in, you will basically just look for the account section here. So it should be somewhere right here. It really depends on the layout of your website or the version of your website. And once you see the account section, you will just have to click that, and then you will see verification or KYC, and then you will select personal verification, and then basically you will just have to upload a valid government issued ID like passport, driver's license, or ID card or whatsoever. And then you will just have to take a selfie for identity verification, and then you will click submit and wait for the confirmation. That would usually take about a few minutes to a few hours. And once it's approved, your account will have higher limits and added security features. And by the way, you should always use real and accurate documents, and the verified accounts will have more privileges and lower risks. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found it I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an amazing day.